how much they like honey. There are no vegetarians. Look at this wasp, how busy it is eating on the carcass of this unfortunate little wizard. Wasps are also carnivores. They're very avid meat eaters. Look, they almost finished it. They ate away the carcass. Two little wasps ate a little lizard. Hi. Today we're going to destroy the second nest of wasps. The location of this nest, as you can see, is more inconvenient. And the methods we applied for the destruction of the first nest will not work here. These wasps have built their nest between a metal wire and a wooden beam, making it more difficult to reach. They also have a small hole, a small aperture on the ceiling above them, through which they can escape on the roof. The ceiling is made of iron sheet and gets very hot in the middle of the day. These wasps are smarter than the ones in the other nest. But we people are smarter than them. To catch these ones, we have devised a stratagem. We're gonna make them come into the plastic bag by themselves. Here is our bag. You see, we have attached strings at the top of it, so that we can close it swiftly by giving a single pull at the strings. Let me show you how this works. Here are the strings. Now it's open, and we just pull it and it's closed. We have put some honey and jelly inside the bag at its very bottom. The smell of it is quickly going to attract them into the bag. Okay, we have fixed the bag and we're gonna wait. When the iron ceiling heats up, they will start buzzing and sniff the sweet lure. God knows what they're doing. They should have swarmed into the bag by now. Maybe we need to bring the bag closer to the nest. Okay, let's do that. Okay, and we put our plastic bag into a plastic bottle so that it keeps open. You see, the wasps have sniffed the honey and have started to swarm into the bag. So we are going to attach it high, close to the nest, hoping that they all will come into the bag. Look how close to the nest we have fixed our trap. Okay, so we hope for a good catch. Okay, let us see the catch of the day. It looks like not all of the wasps have gone into the bag, but still there are some. Okay, let's pull the strings and then we'll see. We have pulled the strings and now we're gonna get out the bag to count how many wasps we have caught. Okay, here we go. See this? Okay. We didn't catch all of them, but still, we caught a good number. I guess they're gonna die inside the bag because of lack of air. Okay. You see, there are also a few fallen in the tube who have died from overeating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them have died from overeating. Okay, let's count how many are in the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 5 makes 13. Okay, that's not too bad, but it's not very well either. Maybe we need to change our lure. Maybe we need to put a more delicious food as bait. Okay, now we're gonna do the following. I'm gonna tie them and put this bag with wasps inside the second bag to make sure that they don't escape, because I know that they can eat through the nylon. Okay, let's do that. Here I've put them into another bag, so they're supposed to die due to the lack of air. At least their death's gonna be sweet there among honey and red currant jelly.